Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday, September 23rd, and I'm about to post this video today for you guys. So I am doing this thing called the one-on-one experience with me, and I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek. So last night I decided to do a pink to white ombre because that is highly requested on how I do it with an airbrush. And literally, you guys, once you learn the airbrush and you learn how to ombre, you're never gonna go back. This set, the ombre portion of the set, took me 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So the entire set combined took me about 30 minutes to make from start to finish. So if you want to learn how to do ombre, stay tuned. What I am doing right now is I poured some gel polish into the bottom. It was powdered blush by iGel Beauty. So I poured it into this little shot glass. I got these shot glasses from my Dollar Tree. They come in like a pack of 2, I believe. So they work perfect for mixing colors for the airbrush. And then I poured in some 100% pure acetone. And yes, I've heard a lot about the mixing of gel and acetone. I will get into that soon. But anyways, because I want this to be, you know, a step-by-step with me so that I can tell you exactly what I'm doing when I'm doing it. So basically what I'm doing is mixing. Hold on one second. Sorry guys, I had to get water. My throat is always so dry in the morning. Oh my gosh, it bothers me. Anyways, so I'm just mixing that mixture into this shot glass, and then safety, get your gloves, girl. You need gloves. Whether you have a ventilation system or not, which step 2, you need a ventilation system, but whether you have that, you're gonna get gel on your hands when you're airbrushing. You just are. So wear gloves. Wear good gloves. I will link down below the other brand that I use, and I love those too. They're really thick and they're just a really good glove. So anyway, I just poured that mixture. I'm trying to get my setup a little bit better so you can see absolutely everything, and you know, I can show you guys, but I just poured that mixture in to the airbrush really quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and test out my mixture. That paper's like all dirty because I was cleaning my airbrush out, but oh my gosh, did you guys see that bug just fly in? So I'm gonna clean that up really quick because I don't need a bug in our background. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and start testing out my mixture. So to test out your mixture, you're gonna get just a blank piece of paper and you're gonna start spraying it. And because it wasn't spraying perfectly, what I did was hold up my paper to the end, like the tip of the nozzle, and spray, and it'll mix up that mixture and kind of remove anything that's backing it up where the needle is. And so you'll get like those little bubbles in there, which is totally fine. It just means that you mixed the mixture. So what I like to do before even spraying that airbrush, you want to start spraying the airbrush prior to putting it like near the nail. So if you want to go back really quick and see how I did that, or just keep watching, you'll see that I do that on every single set. And then I am constantly moving the airbrush, constantly moving it. So right now we're going up and down because we're doing the sides, and I'm just like, you know, swooping up and down, and then swoop to the next one. And I'm just doing like, you know, 3 to 4 passes basically, and then that's it. Less is more. You want to do more like really light coats and then cure that so that it doesn't, you know, mess up. So while we're curing, we're gonna move on to the other 5 nails. So we're gonna do the first coat of these, and then you'll see that I'm gonna go ahead and spray my airbrush and then move it. And I never let go of that nozzle. It's just a continuous spray. And also, if your airbrush has 2 settings, like mine has 2 settings, when I turn it on, there's like a faster setting, a slower setting, and then it turns off. So I always keep it on the higher setting, like the first setting, because to me it sprays more like, I don't know how to explain it. It just sprays, like the spray is a lot like more flowing. Like it's a bigger spray, and that to me is better for ombre. So I keep it on the highest setting, and then yeah, I just continuously spray the entire area of where I want the ombre to be. And then the first coat is always super light, and you don't feel like you did anything, but that's okay because you want to layer it, and that's how you get the seamless ombre. So you want the first coat to be super light because that's the coat that's going to show like from the pink to the white, because the second coat right now that we're doing is going to focus more towards the cuticle area and then just goes like slightly up. So yeah, that's basically all I do. And then again, in order to get those sidewalls, we're just doing the up and down motion, and we're gonna get both sides of the sidewalls, and then we are going to cure again. Occasionally I will do this right here where I just spray a little bit more over all of them just to give that, like, I don't know, like a final effect type thing. It just, like, to me it like blends it out so good when I do that. So I'll like do a little spray really quick before curing. But that is 2 coats, so we're gonna go ahead and put those in. And then while those are curing, we're gonna go ahead and grab the other ones again. And while we're sitting here, if you are learning anything, please hit that subscribe button, the like, comment down below. If you have specific colors that you want to see ombre, let me know and I can do that for you as well. So while we are working on getting towards the end of this set, we are just, you know, continuing to airbrush. We do the up and down, side to side motions, and honestly, every time I do a ombre, I never stop moving my airbrush. It's constantly moving because you want that blend to be so seamless. You don't want to spray into one area, obviously, unless you're doing like the aura nails or stencils and stuff, then you'll keep it in one space. But that is definitely a whole another video. So yeah, I just want to get like as close as possible so that you guys can see that blend, and it's so pretty. So also, if you guys decide to recreate this, please if you don't want to tag me or something, that's totally cool too, but if you want to just DM me and send me your pictures or send me, you know, progress or anything, if you're struggling with something, if you need more help, let me know so that I can help you guys out, because I really want you guys to succeed, and I want to help you guys because I have been doing all of this trial and error for so long, and I just feel like now that I know a lot and I feel like I've mastered the airbrush ombre, I just want to show you guys and teach you guys. And yeah, so that is the 3rd coat, and that is what we are looking like. It's going to be the 3rd and final coat, and then we are going to go ahead and I believe we're going to start doing the top coat in a minute. But I have one more coat on these, and then I did run out of the mixture, so I had to remix it, and you'll see that here shortly. Okay, so again, remember, you always want to test out your mixture before spraying. I was happy with it. So I just continued on to what I was doing, where I left off, and that's basically it. So here's what they are looking like. If you are struggling in any way, shape, or form, please DM me, comment down below, let me know, and I will get back to you. I can do a super detailed just one nail ombre if that's what you guys want, instead of like a full set. Just let me know. I'm kind of just trying to get into the one-on-one experience, and I also am trying to see how I want to teach you guys and what's going to work best for us, if it's going to be a full set, or if it's going to be 5 nails or just 1 nail. I'm just trying to see, you know, what's going on. I don't know why it was doing that. But anyways, I'm trying to just see, you know, what's going to help us achieve our goal, basically. So with you guys also letting me know in the comments if this is helping you, if you feel like you need a little more help, let me know. So really quick, when you are airbrushing for a while, occasionally a little bit of gel will get stuck in the nozzle right there where I'm pointing, and it'll splatter when you spray, and it'll splatter on the nails. That has happened to me. It actually just happened to me here, so I'm using this as a little teaching lesson. So what I like to do is get my alcohol pad, and then I use just the corner of it, and I'll stick it in where that needle is and just twist, and it removes all of the gel. And so I was just looking at the ombre up close to make sure that it looked okay, because I had to use an alcohol wipe to wipe off the splatter, and it did. It looked perfect. I actually didn't even need that last coat that I was gonna do. So, you know, that was just universe, God telling me, like, girl, you're done. So anyways, we are done. We are going to make sure everything looks good, and it does. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean our airbrush. Always clean your airbrush. It literally takes 30 seconds to a minute when you're done, and it'll really help in the long run, so that way you don't clog your airbrush. You don't have to like take it apart and clean it as much. So all I do is pour the pure acetone into the airbrush, and I just spray. That's it. It cleans everything out. The acetone gets in there where the needle is, and it clears it all out. So that is all you have to do. And then if you want to, if you're done with the airbrush for the day or whatever, or if you need a different color, I like to go in with another alcohol pad, and I'll just like get in there with my finger and clean it all out, clean around it. And yeah, take care of your airbrush. She's your baby. No, really though, when you guys learn how to airbrush, trust me, if you already know how to airbrush, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's basically it, you guys. That is our I can't even talk, I'm so excited. But that is our pink to white ombre. Oh my gosh, it came out so pretty. I'm just gonna add this top coat for you guys, and I kept everything in real time so that you guys can see exactly how I work, exactly how long the airbrush actually takes. It doesn't take a long time. I know I see a lot of you guys like nervous to use the airbrush. Don't be nervous, just start and it'll flow. And you guys don't have to like, you know, post everything or like even like sell any nails yet. Just play with it. Get those little swatch sticks and just play with it, and you know, perfect your craft. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it in real time and show you guys this top coat. I don't know why top coat takes me forever, but it does. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and then at the very end of this, I'm gonna show you what they look like applied. It looks like a fresh full set. Oh my gosh, I was obsessed. this is what they look like all cured. And then I'm going to show you some videos and pictures that I got from my phone, just like, you know, a little bit more of a close-up and a little more clear. But yeah, that is what that blend is looking like, you guys. Let me know if this helped you in any way. Let me know if you want me to take it a little bit slower, if you want different colors, if you need really anything, let me know and I'm here to help you. But yeah, that was basically it. Be sure to subscribe, guys. Hit that like button, the notification bell. One-on-one experience starts October. This was just a little sneak peek, so let me know if you guys like this, and we're gonna dig deep, guys. We're gonna dig in and we're gonna learn everything: nail art, airbrush, all of the above, how to get your nails to look like an acrylic full set using gel. Like, you guys, I'm so excited to be back. But anyways, this was a cute little picture that I got. I hope you guys like this. I hope I was able to help you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.